Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use our balloon expansion plier tool to fill your balloons with confetti. Let's get started. First, gather your tools and have them at hand's reach. Next, insert the end of the pliers with the small 4 hooks into the balloon. The further down the tool is, the more space you'll have to fill your confetti. Prepare your confetti, then squeeze the pliers handles. This will open the balloon so the confetti can be added. Fill your balloon with the desired amount of confetti, then slowly remove the hooks from the balloon and prepare to inflate your balloon. Before inflating your balloon, make sure to hold the neck of your balloon so the confetti doesn't fall out. However, in this process, a little confetti will fall out, but that's okay. Tie your balloon and you're all set. In order to make the confetti stick to your balloon evenly, rub the balloon against your shirt or hair so the built-up static helps the scatter of the confetti. Thank you guys so much for watching this short clip. You can go ahead and purchase your plier tool on our website at cvlinens.com. Don't forget to also check out our social pages for more event inspiration and check out some of our latest videos. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one.